How to choose right laptop for your needs. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for all your tech needs out there. The topic is how to choose right laptop for your need. With so many options available in market, finding the perfect laptop can overwhelm. But fear not, because by the end of this video you will be occupied with all the knowledge you need to make an informed decision. Let's dive in. So first point is assessing your needs. So in the first step you will make sure what is the purpose of your what is your need, why you are buying the laptop. If you are doing graphics, so your need is graphics. If you are a student and you need the laptop for assignments, so it's your need. So in this way you can assess your need accordingly. The first step in selecting the right laptop is understanding your need. Are you a student, a creative professional, a gamer, or a business user? Different tasks require different specifications. So if you are a graphic designer, you need different type of laptop, and if you are a student, maybe you need different type of laptop. So different tasks may have different specification. Discuss the importance of RAM, processor and storage based on user types. Highlight the significance of display size, resolution and color accuracy for designer and content creator. Emphasize the importance of dedicated graphics for gamers. Touch on battery life and portability for student and travel. So the things you keep in mind. The first step, when as you assess your need, then according to your needs, maybe you need more RAM, processor, storage, or maybe you need display size, bigger display size, resolution, color accuracy because you are doing designing, or you need a good built-in graphics card if you are gamer, or you are running heavy designing softwares, or if you are frequently travel or you are a student, so you need best battery life laptop. Now moving forward, operating system option. Now that you know what you need, let's talk about operating system. There are three main operating options are Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So once you assess your need, the next step is selecting operating system, OS. So which operating system you want to use, whether it's Windows, it's Mac OS and Linux. So you before we select which operating system you choose, keep learning about or studies the pros and cons of each operating system. Discuss software compatibility and ecosystem. So you have to study this point as well, whether the software you are using for your work, they are compatible for this software or not. budget concentration. The first step is you assess your need, why you need the laptop. The second step is which operating system you are trying to use. Now moving forward, budget concentration. So now you have budget is crucial factor. You don't want to overspend and compromise on performance. Let's explore to find right balance. So the budget is very crucial because you don't spend as a student you don't want to spend much as well as you don't underrate your device. So budget is crucial. So what you will do, talk about the minimum option for that. Once you got idea the minimum amount from where the series is start, you can ask mid-level or maximum or premium laptop option. After that, once you select which laptop in your budget and we are going to buy, you can check out, you can take suggestion and check out best deal and discount for on that. Moving forward, after doing these three steps, assess your need, operating system option, budget consideration, moving forward to research and comparing models. Once you got the idea of budget or market idea of laptop price, then you need to do research and compare models. Different companies with same models and their features. Time to hit the web. Research and compare model will narrow down your option. In this way, when you research and compare models, in this way you shortlist much more options, which probably your final among the your final list. Demonstrate how to use online review, website and forum. Show how to compare specs and read user review. Provide tips on avoiding common pitfalls. Physical consideration. Don't forget about physical aspect of the laptop. It's not just about specs. Discuss keyboard comfort, backlight option and tactile feedback. Highlight the importance of responsive and accurate touchpad. Mention the significance to build quality and material. Next is connectivity and ports. Connectivity matter. Ensure your laptop has right port of your needs. Explain the different types of ports: USB, Thunderbolt, HDMI, etc. Discuss the relevance of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capability. Future proofing. Technology evolves rapidly, so future proofing is essential. Talk about upgradability and expandability option. Check out whether on which level they will be upgradable, their softwares, etc. Discuss the longevity of laptop hardware. So discuss how much their hardware will work in future or their life, hardware's life. Finalize your decision. You are almost there. Let's recap the finalize your decision. So finalize your decision based on your assess your need, operating system, budget, then comparison or research, then the features of your need, then it's a time that you can finalize your decision. And there you have it. Choosing the right laptop does not have to be an intimidating task. Armed with the right knowledge, you can confidently make a choice that perfectly suits your need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe for more tech tips and views. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe.